In today's video, we will discuss on the topic, can you see who viewed your Facebook profile? So let's get started. Firstly, the thing is, Facebook does not provide a built-in feature to view a list of people who have visited your profile. Facebook maintains these restrictions to protect users' privacy. But you can also know who has visited your account by some safe and understanding limitations. So firstly, make sure that your Facebook account is on professional mode. If you run a Facebook page with a professional mode, then you can access page insights to see the demographics and general trends in your audience. However, this won't show specific profile visitors. Then, while it's not a direct indicator, tracking who consistently likes, comments, and engages within your post can give you a sense of who is viewing your content on a regular basis. Since these limitations protect users' privacy, Facebook is unlikely to add a feature to view profile visitors directly. Be cautious of any tool or services that claims otherwise. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.